Hi everyone, my name is Emily and I'm the Program Manager at the National Student Data Corps, and welcome to our set of data science flashcard videos. Today we'll be learning how to solve for the sample variance of a small data set. This is the formula to solve for sample variance. It can be a bit intimidating, but let's go step by step. Let's pretend we're looking at the ages of the first 5 people to enter a grocery store. Here we can see that our data set includes the numbers 59, 63, 29, 33, and 66. The next step will be to solve for the mean or the average. To do this, we will add all of the numbers together and divide by n, or our sample size. We can see here that the mean, also represented as x bar, is 50. The next step is to find each age's deviation from the mean. So in simple terms, we need to subtract the mean, or 50, from each age to see how far away it is. So 59 minus 50 is 9, 63 minus 50 is 13, and so on. It is okay if your answers are negative because of our next step. So we'll use another column in this table now to square each deviation. Again, variance is known to be the square of the standard deviation. So 9 squared is 81, 13 squared is 169, and so on. Okay, we're almost there. So now we need to add all of our squares together to get the sum of the squares. Adding those together, we get 1,236. Now for the last step. You can see in the formula that we need to divide by n minus 1. Here, n, or our sample size, is 5, so n minus 1 is 4. 1,236 divided by 4 is 309, also known as your solved variance. So what does this mean? Well, 309 is a larger number, which tells us that the numbers within our dataset are dispersed or spread out by quite a bit. Our dataset included numbers from 29 all the way up to 66, so there is some dispersion there. If the ages all happen to be in their 50s, for example, your variance would have been much smaller. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and keep following along with the NSDC Flashcard series to learn more.